I want to take a moment to discuss what we are doing to help increase protection against COVID-19 for certain individuals who are moderately and severely immune compromised. As we've been saying for weeks, emerging data show that certain people who are immune compromised, such as people who have had organ transplant and some cancer patients, may not have had an adequate immune response to just 2 doses of the COVID vaccine. To be clear, this is a very small population. We estimate it to be less than 3% of adults. We've been working to identify how best to provide increased protection to these vulnerable people who are disproportionately impacted by severe outcomes due to COVID-19. FDA is working with Pfizer and Moderna to allow boosters for these vulnerable people. An additional dose could help increase protection for these individuals, which is especially important as the Delta variant spreads. Following FDA's decision, CDC will hold a meeting of its Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices tomorrow to discuss this issue and offer their expert insights and recommendations. We look forward to that discussion and to helping support this vulnerable population. At this time, only certain immune-compromised individuals may need an additional dose. Emerging data, including from a significant study published in the New England Journal of Medicine yesterday, show that there's an enhanced antibody response after an additional dose of an mRNA COVID-19 vaccine in some immunocompromised people. This action is about ensuring our most vulnerable, who may need an additional dose to enhance their biological responses to the vaccines, are better protected against COVID-19. The science and resulting data in this pandemic are moving extremely rapidly. The US government, in turn, is moving swiftly to analyze the science and make the recommendations most appropriate to protect Americans. We know our vaccines are safe and effective, and if you have not gotten a vaccine yet, please do so today.